Let's body butter mild lightening sets. Butter your skin like butter and bread. So if your skin has been doing that stubborn thing where it refuses to shine, refuses to glow, and it's just there, behaving like it's on strike, then sit down because this combo will rebirth your skin in no time. It's going to give you a beautiful skin. So today we're talking about the mild lightening combo. This combo is mild, is perfect. The one enriched with glutathione, vanilla extract, vanilla goodness, and a whole lot of plant extracts that makes your skin feels like it just came out of spa section. It's going to give you a supple skin, a glowing skin. And to be honest, the packaging alone already looks like it wants to lighten your mood before it even touches your skin. Like, just look at the package of this set. It's so beautiful. So let's go straight into it. This set contains the lotion, the body wash, and the body scrub. 3 in 1, a whole goodness of 3 in 1. And every part of this combo is doing something for your skin, something amazing. It is mild, it's gentle, and it's perfect for people who want to glow without skin discoloration. If you know you want a beautiful skin, my darling, go grab this. You know that type of glow where your glow speak before you do, right? When your glow announce your arrival, the innocent glow, the baby girl glow, the soft glow that doesn't shout. These sets contain ingredients that nourishes your skin. Honestly, everything about this is interesting. And to be honest with you, the people who made this combo were clearly not playing. First of all, glutathione. And you already know glutathione is one ingredient that love peace but give results. One of the best ingredients for skin brightness. It doesn't fight your skin, it negotiates more. Then coconut vanilla. See, if you are someone that loves smelling edible without being edible, then you just got a complete package. Coconut vanilla will do that for you. It softens the skin. It moisturizes the skin. It gives your skin that supple, nourished feels that makes you want to touch your legs every 2 hours. Like, you fall in love with your skin again. Like, is this really me? And low key, coconut is one ingredient that knows. Coconut oil is one ingredient that knows how to keep your skin plump. It's going to give your skin that joy that your skin wants. It also contains plant extracts that helps with keeping the skin tone even, reducing dullness and boosting radiance. It's going to make your skin shine. Your skin will glow. Basically, if you will fall in love with your skin in no time, body butter lotion is your everyday glow. Like, it's hydrating, it smooths, and it penetrates easily. It actually melts into your skin, moisturizes deeply, and works slowly to brighten your skin tone in no time. Like, no stress. Your skin is going to be looking like butter. It's going to give you a clean in a gentle, it's going to clean your skin in a gentle way. So over time, you start noticing your complexion looking more uniform, the kind where even your mirror will start admiring your skin. The body wash, this one is not just body wash, it's a therapy in a bottle. Because tell me why this thing is so good, so yummy. Your skin will feel soft immediately, like you're going to fall in love with your skin. A lot of washes dry people out, but this one, I mean this particular one, keeps the moisture intact and supports the brightening effect without strapping your skin, without stressing your skin, without you doing too much. And the body scrub, let me not even lie about this one. This is the secret. This is the secret weapon of the whole combo. If you want your lotion to work faster, if you want your lotion to work better, you must exfoliate your skin. It is important, not negotiable. The scrubs helps you remove dead cell, smooth texture, reduce dullness, and allow your products to penetrate better and give you the best results. And it has this creamy feel. So you are not hurting your skin while exfoliating. You're actually doing your skin a favor. It's gentle but effective. That is the sweet spot. One thing I always say, you see those skin you see on the streets and you admire their skin, you're asking, what are you using on your skin? I love your skin tone. I do this, I do that. My darling, it is effort. You don't sleep one night and wake up with a very beautiful skin. No. If you want a beautiful skin, you need to work on your skin, and you need to give your skin time to accept that new product you introduce. And one thing that is so important in your routine, your body care, is you exfoliating your skin. At least exfoliate your skin, allow the products to work, give it time. Don't stress it. But you see, this body butter is going to butter your skin like bread and butter. You will fall in love with your skin in no. So consistent use of this combo and exfoliating your skin will give you fast results, and your skin will thank you. When you use this combo consistently, don't forget that. So the first result is number one, smoother skin. Your arms, your legs, and your chest will start feeling like butter. So you will even be tempted to say thank you to yourself again. And number two, and even skin tone. If your skin has been looking patchy, scattered, this combo can help unify everything. Number three, a mild and gradual lightening skin tone, not bleaching, not changing your identity, just glow, natural, classy, and effortless glow. You get that clean, radiant skin that makes you look refreshed even when you're stressed. And honestly, that is the type of glow everybody needs these days, because life is already stressful enough. So now let's talk about how to get the maximum results, because this is the part people usually skip and then start shouting that products does not work on their skin. My darling, if you want this combo to perform like the main character, you must assist it. So number one, exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week with the scrub. Don't use scrub every day. Your skin is not stubborn stain on a fry pan. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week is enough to get results. It's going to remove buildup and let your product works better. Number two, use the body wash every day. Let your skin start the day feeling clean and moisturized. And if you can, leave the lather on your skin for 1 to 2 minutes before rinsing. Just let the ingredients sit small on your skin. It helps. Number three, apply the lotion immediately after bath. Don't wait till your skin is dry. When your skin is still slightly damp, the product penetrates better. That is how you lock in moisture and increase the glow effect. And please be consistent. This combo works, but you need to give it time. Mind lighting is gradual. You will start noticing changes in 2 to 4 weeks, depending on your skin type. But it gets better with consistent use. And since this combo is suitable for all skin types, you don't stress. If you're dry, it hydrates. If you're oily, it balances. If you're normal, it maintains and polish your skin. It is that type of product that quietly improve your skin without shouting. So if you're someone looking for a gentle everyday combo that gently lightens, smoothens, unifies, and give you that soft coconut vanilla glow, then this mild lightning combo is definitely worth trying. It is mild enough for daily use and but effective enough to deliver visible results in no time. And trust me, once your skin starts glowing, people will start asking you, what are you using? What's the. So if you know you want to do ombre this December, you want to have a uniform skin tone, you want to go to the village this Christmas, and you want to look expensive, meanwhile you're on a budget, please go grab this combo. This combo is going to give you a uniform skin tone. It's going to lighten your skin gradually. It's not a harsh product. It's going to beautify your skin. When you're using this combo, people will always compliment your skin. And who doesn't love to hear those sweet words like, oh, your skin is beautiful. What are you using on your skin? That is the kind of compliments that just hit us differently and make you feel, oh, why my skin? Oh, wow, my skin is doing the justice. My skin is my money is showing. So everybody loves to hear those sweet words. So please, if you know that you want to do ombre this Christmas, go grab this. And another thing is, always make sure you're getting original products, because if you get this combo and you don't get results, it means that what you're using is not original one. You see, sometimes when you're buying your skincare products, when you see some vendors selling it maybe 3,000, 2,000 cheaper, and you think, oh, it's cheaper, yeah, let me go for it. That one that you're getting cheaper may be fake. I'm not selling products, but I know that sometimes you get products and the one you're getting is a bit cheaper and you think that one is original. You can still get the one that is cheaper that is still original. But sometimes most of all these products are fake because we have a lot of fake products out there. So please make sure you're getting from a trusted vendor, a vendor that you know that this person is selling original products. Please, that is what you go for. Even if it means you have to pay for delivery, please just close your eyes and pay for delivery and get original products, because I was once there. I got a fake skincare product and it damaged my skin. But thank God the skin is skinning again. But I know how it feels for a product to damage your skin. So please don't be stingy when it comes to like delivery and say, I don't want to pay for delivery. Please, if paying for delivery is going to give you original product, please pay for it. Just squeeze that 5,000 naira extra and pay for that delivery. Please, is important because this December, we must glow together. All of us must glow because your glowing skin is my business. I want everybody to look beautiful, to look expensive, without you breaking the banks, without you spending everything you earn on skincare products. So if you want more review or breakdown, please like, comment, and share Glow Secrets. Your glow journey is my ministry, and I'm taking it seriously. See you in the next one. Don't forget, always source for original product. If it's not original,